Now, the brief introduction about the second week of the development. The second week of development, also known as the week of the twos. Week of twos. And why? Because in the second stage there is the differentiation. The trophoblast, it is differentiated into the two parts. It is the syncytotrophoblast and the cytotrophoblast. Now this trophoblast differentiated into the two parts. This embryoblast that is present in the blastocyst, it is differentiated to form the hypoblast and the epiblast, two layers. Now in the second week there are formation of two cavities. It is the amniotic cavity is formed, and there is a formation of the yolk sac. It is the primary yolk sac, and there is a formation of the extra embryonic mesoderm. Extra embryonic mesoderm. This extra embryonic mesoderm tissue is derived from this hypoblast, and this extra embryonic mesoderm further divided into the two layers. The outer layer, it is the somatopleuric, and the inner layer, it is the splanchnopleuric. Somatopleuric layer of the extra embryonic mesoderm and splanchnopleuric layer of the extra embryonic mesoderm. So they are formation of the two structures. This trophoblast differentiated into the two structures. This embryoblast differentiated into the two structures. There is a formation of the two cavities, and this extra embryonic mesoderm derived from this hypoblast again divided into the two parts, somatopleuric and the splanchnopleuric layer of the extra embryonic mesoderm. So it is known as the week of twos. Now in this diagram, this is the initial stage of the implantation. Now first understand the structures. This blue structures, it is the endometrium layer of the uterus. This line, it is the epithelium, uterine epithelium, that is the cuboidal epithelium, and this endometrium, these are the glands, these are the uterine glands, and these are the capillaries. Means this is the part of the uterus. Clear? Now this part, this is the embryoblast. The embryoblast is the blastocyst. This is the blastocyst. Now the blastocyst, it is the trophoblast. The yellow layer, it is the flattened trophoblast, and the blue layer, this blue mass, it is the inner cell mass. So it is the blastocyst, and this is the cavity. Now this is the importance of the embryonic pole. It is the embryonic pole that is first attached to the uterine endometrium, and the opposite pole, it is the embryonic pole. Now next, in this diagram, see this structure. This yellow structure, that is the trophoblast, now differentiated into the two layers. One, it is the amoeba shaped, it is the syncytotrophoblast, and while the yellow, it is the cytotrophoblast. Means this trophoblast start invading into the uterine endometrium. Implantation is continued. Now see on this diagram. Next, now see the structures. This blastocyst almost half enters into the uterine endometrium, and this multinucleated structures, it is the syncytotrophoblast, and this layer is the cytotrophoblast. Means here the differentiation is clear. Trophoblast has the two layers. Now see the cavity. One, this small cavity start forming, it is the amniotic cavity. We will discuss this topic again in the next classes. Yes, it is a brief introduction. So here is the formation of the amniotic cavity, and the cavity, that is the cavity of the blastocyst, that is the blastocele cavity, now change into the primary yolk sac. So there are two cavity. There are two cavity. One is small and the one large. It is, above one it is the amniotic, and the lower one it is the yolk sac or exocoelomic cavity. Now where is the embryo? This embryo is, it is the embryoblast. This is the embryonic disc. This embryonic disc is present between the two cavity. So in this diagram there are two trophoblasts, two cavity. Now see the inner cell mass. This inner cell mass, if you see, there are two layers. There are two layers. One, it is the blue layers. These are columnar cells, and below it is the yellow layer. These are the cuboidal flat cells. Now this epiblast changes into the bilaminar layer. The upper columnar layer, this blue layer, it is the epiblast, and this yellow layer, it is the hypoblast. Means the embryoblast is changed into the bilaminar disc. Now see in this next structure. In these structures, this is the extra embryonic mesoderm. This extra embryonic mesoderm, it is present between this layer. It is the layer surrounding this yolk sac, and this layer, it is the cytotrophoblast. So this extra embryonic mesoderm is present or separate the two layers. The two layers that are close to each other. In this diagram they are close to each other. This is the membrane yellow layers surrounding the yolk sac, and this is the cytotrophoblast layer. Now in this diagram it is the extra embryonic mesoderm, and this extra embryonic mesoderm separates these two layers. So these are the changes we see in the development of the second week.